Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. So, what I've decided today is to become a millionaire and visit the International Space Station as some of my goals. Think it is impossible? Because I am a man of my word. So make sure you join my journey, as in making it happen, step by step, from zero to the stars. My promise and guarantee to you is that I will show you the simple secret to turn your life around, for good, and do it today. All you have to do, is apply my simple and easy steps. It's so simple and 1000% doable. So far I've learned that there is always a solution for everything, the only difference is, trying to do it the easy way, or, getting it done the proper way. Of course, the proper way is the fastest way. The only way, understand? Right, let's get some lives changed, today.